Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Lynette underscore K. In case you're watching this video for the first time, kindly consider subscribing guys, because you're on the right channel and I want to show you African things and everything about Africa. So today guys, we're going to cook most delicious foods here in Africa, and guess what? I have my kitchen set up here, and also I'm going to cook some veggies. Actually the veggies are here. And guys, these veggies I've just actually collected them from my garden. My garden is just right here. So these are the veggies that I'm going to cook. These are called cowpeas, and I have some spring onions that I've just plucked from the shamba. You can see from here. And I also have some of the things here. So I'm going to cook with this. So I have my onions, I have spring onions, and I have these round onions, and also have some 3 eggs in tomatoes plus the paper. So without much further ado, and my old pigeons are really like, they're feeding from there. They're just helping me cook from this side, so they're getting also up to the video. So welcome to the kitchen as we start cooking right now. So these are things that I'm going to use to light up my fire. Yeah, so this is how we arrange. Let me see if it's not going to light up. I'll use a box. Oopsie, I think it's gonna come up. I think I'm the luckiest, you know. Yeah. Please don't disappoint me. Yeah, so So they are actually boiling, and I didn't even put some water because my veggies are very soft. They have to boil by themselves, so there is no need to put water. So let them boil just a few seconds, and then I'll be frying the onions, and then I fry them as well. Oh, my veggies are ready, guys. So as you watch this video, kindly give it a like, and also remember to join my membership packs. Yeah, so they are ready. Yeah, so it's time to fry them. So the reason as to why I'm cutting them is to make them thinner, into tiny pieces. Yeah. They look so yummy. Wow. It's time to put my veggies. Oh. Oh, they look so delicious and yummy. So I'll just be leaving it to boil a bit. Let them boil a bit. Guys, you see I had some eggs, so I need to go and add more spring onions so that I come and cook. think these are enough for my eggs, so let's go and cook. So guys, meanwhile you can just have a look at my kitchen garden. There's so many kales. Actually, this is where I plucked my veggies that I'm cooking right now. They're called cowpeas. So let's go. It's time to cook our eggs. Yeah. So this is how I cook my eggs. I want to know how you cook your eggs and veggies. So for us here in our village, we usually, like when we cook eggs, we usually accompany it with stew meat, or we accompany it, if there is no stew meat, we just accompany it with eggs, or you can eat it as well, like without any accompaniment, you just eat it with ugali. So we are going also to eat with ugali. So guys, as you're watching this beautiful video, kindly you can join my membership. It's just from the subscribe button, we have join button, so you can just join. It's here, join button, you join my membership packs. There is so many things amazing there, so please, that's how you can support me. And remember also to subscribe, like the video as well as liking the video. It's very important, guys. Just doing like this, you pause and do like this, tap, and then you like the video. By liking, that's one like, it's very important on me because it keeps being suggested to so many people, because the algorithm wants videos to be liked. So when you give that like, guys, imagine how much you've helped me. So let me just prepare these eggs. It's ready. What I need to do is add my eggs. My eggs are looking yummy, yummy. Oh, they're almost. They look so yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, look at my eggs. Oh my god. So I don't want to koroga sana. I don't want to mix them so much. So just let them just cook for a few minutes, and then I'm going to take them out and serve. So guys, kindly remember to like my video, subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna show you more about African village, how we dress. I hope you loved my dress. Let me know in the comment section about my jewelries as well. So you can see this, and this all. Let me just give credit. I also have this one here. These are courtesy of my hubby Chalo Kush. So go kindly subscribe to Chalo Kush. It's time to serve. Wow. This is enough for me. So I'm going to eat on your behalf, guys. So come we eat. Yes, so here it is. I hope you loved it. What am I missing here? I don't know. I guess fruits. I don't know if there are fruits that I'm missing. So guys, cheers. So let me eat my food and let me dine in. And yes, so I thank God for this food. We just eat. Wow, it's so yummy. And thank you so much for watching. Let me eat. Bye bye.